Hey everybody, this is Paige Jack, aka The Paige Effect, and if you know me, you know there are two things I love: Black-owned businesses and a well-made cocktail. Today we're at one of my neighborhood faves, PH Craft Cocktail Bar, ready to make 2 spins on classic cocktails. Come with me inside. So we're here with my good friend and bartender Deshun at PH Craft Cocktails Nashville in the Wedgwood, Houston neighborhood, and we're gonna make the first signature cocktail, the Muddy Water. So Deshun, can you help me out?
For sure. What's going on, Paige? How you doing?
Everything is good with me.
Good.
Happy to be here with you.
You better know it, Jack. So we're gonna start off with our mixing glass, all right, guys?
Okay.
We're gonna take our jigger, 2 ounces of gin.
Okay,
This
so
is
I
actually
had a
Corsair.
question though,
Go ahead.
Deshun.
Do your thing.
So the Muddy Water is kind of like a play on an old fashioned, right?
It is.
What makes the Muddy Water different from the old fashioned for those people who are used to the traditional old
For
fashioned?
sure. We use a barrel aged gin in opposed to a whiskey.
Okay,
So, yeah.
I like that. So the barrel age still gives it a little bit of fullness and like that caramelization that a traditional bourbon or whiskey would have.
Exactly.
Okay.
You put
I
that.
know a little something. Okay.
Got the on
Okay.
it. You know what I
I
mean?
love that. Okay, cool.
Put
So
some
what we have
brown
here?
simple syrup right here.
Okay, so using brown sugar?
You better know it.
I love
All
that.
this is like you just melt the brown sugar with the water.
Okay.
Equal parts. You're in the game. Got your Angostura. You're gonna put 4 dashes of that.
Gotta have that.
Got
Love
your
it.
orange bitters as well.
Oh, okay. Okay, I
4
see
of
where we're
those.
going here. I love that.
You're gonna take your ice. Not too much. Just
So
enough
is
to
this a stirred cocktail or a shaken cocktail?
It is. It's a stirred situation.
Okay, I
Yeah.
love that. This is
And then
amazing.
Could you help me out?
I can help you
Okay,
out.
cool.
I think I can do this.
Stir me up a little
Okay.
bit.
Am I doing it
Stir
well?
up. You got it.
Okay.
Little
Good.
darling, stir.
I
keep
love
going,
it. Okay.
keep going.
When do I know when to stop?
Usually it depends on the alcohol content. You're good right now.
I'm good.
Usually
Okay.
when we make our standard old fashions,
Mhm.
it's about 20 seconds because the alcohol content is higher.
Okay.
You don't want to dilute it too much.
Okay.
You still want to taste the spirits.
Understood. Okay, cool. So I did great.
You did a phenomenal
Okay,
job.
awesome. All right, what's next?
Go ahead, go here. You're gonna get your strainer here. Usually we use a jewel strainer, but we're going here today. We got the glass ready.
Okay. Make sure you pour me up right. Okay.
You know, we don't cheat you here at PH Craft Cocktails. You know. We'll
Awesome.
give you what you pay
Give me an
for.
over pour.
You
Okay,
better know
great.
it, Jack.
So we're doing a large cube. Okay,
Yeah.
a large cube. We love that.
Check it out.
Yes, big rock.
Boom.
Big rocks only.
Do me a favor.
Yes.
I'm gonna show you how to do the first one. You do the second one.
Okay.
Then you're gonna express the citrus over it, okay?
Express.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh.
Can you get that
something
cameraman? You got
came
that
out.
cameraman? You got that?
Okay. I always saw different bartenders doing that and never
Yeah.
understood what that was about.
Yeah, that's the oil from the citrus. Don't
Okay.
Put that one in there.
So I can
And go
try?
ahead. Yeah, because it uses an orange and a lemon.
So that's different from an old fashioned or traditional one because that uses just an orange, right? Okay. So I just.
Turn the skin over towards it.
Okay.
Just push it out. Just
Push it out. Mine's bending a little bit.
That's okay. That's okay. That'll do. Just drop it in there.
It's beautiful, nonetheless.
I think it looks amazing.
Okay. Is it ready to try?
Try it.
Now, is this going to be strong?
Nah.
Okay.
You got it.
All right, cool. Okay.
Come on, Pete.
All right, this better be good, Deshun.
Come on now, check it out.
Let me see.
Let's see what you got.
Smells great. Smells like citrus. Uh-huh. That's
Digging.
him right there. That's
Come
him.
see us, man. 1249 Martin Street. I'm doing my own plug at this point. I'll see y'all later, man. Thank you.
Thank you,
P. I appreciate
Deshun.
you coming in.
Thank you.
Urban Night, we appreciate you guys, man. Come down and see us.
I'm taking this one home with me.